I'm sorry. I will buy another land for you. A land bigger than this one in future. I will buy another one for you. I promise you. I promise you. I'll buy a land bigger than this one.
That land is the only thing I have. The only thing your late father left for us. How are we going to cope?
That's why I said I will buy another one. In future, I will work hard. In future, I'll buy another one.
In future?
Yes.
In future?
Yes.
When will that future be?
It can be tomorrow.
When will that future come? Okwanwa, you are so wicked. You are very wicked. You turned to something else since you met this guy. You never think about us anymore. You never cared whether I'm living or I am dying. Whether I'm living or dead, you don't know, you don't care. Even if my corpse is lying here, you will match my corpse and go your way, follow Andre.
Don't say that now.
That is what I learned about you. You are so wicked. You turned your heart against this family because of Odele. What have I done to you? Where have I gone wrong? Is it a mistake that I brought you into this world? Are you the only girl that has seen a man before? Why are you treating me like this? Akwanwa, all you care about is Odele. Nothing else. Not even your junior sister. You don't even care that she exists. Let me tell you. Not it that if I die, you are responsible for my death.
Akụkọ love nke ma gwụrụ m ike. Ije mụ na love juru m anya. Onye m nyere obi m lechara anya were obi m na-egwu egwu. Ọ ga-abụ na love fevọrọ m ka m jụọ. Akụkọ love nke ma gwụrụ m ike.
What? So where is the young man in question?
He left with another girl, with a rich girl. So I came here looking for them.
Oh my God. That's so wicked of him. But you don't have to be too hard on yourself. No, we can do anything for love. One way or the other, we all have been victims of love. And love is a beautiful thing. It's a love that brings mother and son together, a husband and wife together, lovers, families. And sometimes we go extra mile to do things for the people we say we love. Right now, my son is lying ill in this hospital. And I'm willing to do everything, give up my wealth to see him happy again. Because I love him so, so much.
I'm so sorry, Ma.
You know, my son has not smiled in years. He's going through depression because of his health challenges. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to cry.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, Ma.
You said you don't have anywhere to go right now. Do you mind come live with me in my house? I have a very big house. It will accommodate all of us.
Okay, Ma.
You'll be taken care of, okay?
Thank you, Mom.
So, shall we?
Okay. Okay, Mom.
It's okay.
Ma, this is your pills. The descriptions are written on the body already. Please, make sure you eat before taking any of the drugs.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mom.
Cheta, don't be angry. What did you say my sister did?
I am telling you, you have to go and call her. So that your family will not say that my brother took her away. That's what I'm telling you, just go and call her.
Why is this girl embarrassing us? Eh? What sort of embarrassment is this one? How do I even keep my mouth to tell my mom this one? Eh?
I understand this. Ha! You see, you people have to go and call her. Eh? I don't know why my brother is doing this to her. And the truth of the matter is that your sister is so in love with him.
Which kind of mumu love?
I even feel bad for her if you see the way he treats her. Hey!
Love. Which love? Going love will help. Eh? What kind of thing? Well, you have tried your best. There's nothing else I know I can do. If my sister wants Odili to kill her, no problem, oh. He can kill her. Even my mom, she is tired too. Me, I can't keep talking. I'm not a mad woman.
See, don't waste any time here. Just go and call her, please. Call her so that you people will not say my brother took her away. That's why I'm saying all this. Go and call her. Look for your sister.
My sister is not a baby, oh. She's not a baby. If she wants Odili to kill her, fine and good. Obasarom, I am tired of talking and I'm not going to keep talking about somebody that doesn't want to have sense. I bet she doesn't want to have... Odili, in fact, tell your brother, I said he should kill her. I've given him the order. He should go ahead and kill her. Anakwam, take care. Yeah, Lord.
Yes. That's what the 400,000 is for. The small business. Start it. Please, start it. You know, I'm sure you can. Yes. Please, send my love to Amoma.
Yeah. I'm ready.
Yeah. You don't have anything just
Huh? What's wrong with this now?
Wait, is this not the trouser that I met you with on the first day? And the socks? Your red socks and the shoe?
This is, it's my signature. My signature.
I'm a big girl. My friends are big girls. They are ballers. So, I cannot introduce you to them like this. But, what?
What's wrong with this now? What's wrong? This is...
You know what? Let's just go for shopping and then just change your wardrobe. So, just change your entire wardrobe.
But
go and change the shirts, the vest, whatever.
it's not bad now.
Go and change the shirts. And then, what kind of phone are you using?
You know my phone now.
Get you a new phone. Change it. Like, just want to change the shirts, please.
This is not bad now.
It's not bad in your... Be fast, though.
To be a man, oh, to be a man, oh, to be a man, I did rock one of felle, cha cha. To be a man, oh, to be a man, oh, to be a man, I did rock one of felle, cha cha. Anna Wambo, Odiko where if Anna Pachi Aneli. What can he say? What can he say? Kalon nanke ya nele. I see the hustle.
Sweet Indomie. Oh, this is ego. It's ego. Egg. Now, wow. I've been trying them. Just like moving this my clothes. So my mom will have plenty money. Hey, it's no longer that time we used to suffer. Now, my mom will own a shop, a big shop. No more suffering. We are not laughing like.
Amuma.
Mama.
Amuma. You shut up and mind your business. Why are you even looking at who is not seeing you?
But mommy, who is looking at you now?
Shut up there and eat your food. Please, oh, I don't want any trouble. Allow the sleeping dog to lie, Biko.
Rita, who is the dog? Rita, even if I'm a dog, am I sleeping? Eh? So you're not calling me a dog? You see that trouble? That trouble will kill you there. That trouble will kill you there. Look at you, you silly bugger. Oh, because you just got small money. You started small chicken change business. You are not showing me level. Don't worry, very soon. You see that one? Very soon it will finish.
God forbid. Back to sender. My mommy's money will never finish. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Huh? So people are praying for me in my house. You are praying against me in my own house. Eh? You are praying for me in my own house. You say, I am looking at you. Uncle is looking at me. I cannot look around. If I come out from my compound, I cannot look at because you are eating Indomie. Look at you. Is it Indomie that I have not seen? Is it Indomie that I have not eaten in this life?
Please now, don't speak.
What is it that I have not enjoyed? When I used to be on money, you know how I used to enjoy. Because people are eating Indomie that I have not eaten before. You are doing anyhow. So let me tell you, I can eat it. I can eat Indomie if I want. Very soon I will buy trailer. By that time, if you do anyhow, I will use one tire and crush you. Nonsense. Huh? Because you are eating Indomie.
This thing is just like. Oh! Uncle now!
Hey! What did you call that thing? Dripping. Hey! See me dripping. Oh God. Skin pain. Skin pain. Hey! Me. Hey! The village should wait for me. Oh. They should wait for my return.
I feel like licking you.
Oh, licking
like,
me.
Like chewing.
Chai, want to ice cream?
Chewing gum.
Chewing gum things. Oh, Chai, it's all because of you now. I mean, look at what you're doing for me now. Look at what you're doing to me now. Look at me now. Thank you.
We're going out tonight though.
You're going out?
Yes, we'll go out tonight.
This night? Yeah.
Meet some of my friends.
To meet your friends. Tell me now, anywhere you go, I'll follow now. Anywhere you go, I'll follow. Anywhere you go, I'll follow. But first of all, before we go and meet your friends, let's go somewhere friendly.
Yeah, friendly.
Yeah, now somewhere very friendly now.
As to meet my friends.
Somewhere, you know, friendly.
Yeah, friendly.
Friendly bedroom now.
What is his name?
Let's go to the friendly bedroom. Stop this thing. See, I don't want you.
Stop, you're tickling
I don't
me.
want Gina
Stop
to
this
come
thing.
here. Come first. I want Gina to come now. You know Gina. Come first now before Gina will come back. Let's go now.
See, because you're looking like one handsome prince now.
You know this is the kind of thing you like to lick and chop now. Come first. Come first now. Come. Let's go to the stand up first now. Stand up. Stand up. Before we meet your friends, let's go to the friendly bedroom now. I know this is your house, Dad. You know before Gina comes back now. Let's go and finish something. Let's go and finish maybe.
Let me help you. But you just let him, okay?
I can't help myself.
Let him. It's okay. Just let him. It's alright. I don't know. He's always like that. I'm so worried about him.
I don't think you should be worried. He's just going through a tough time. He'll be fine.
Thank you. Just let's go inside, okay?
Okay.
Come on in. All right.
than coming back to this village. Very, very better. Yes. Okay, no problem. I'm going to take care of yourself, Onne. All right, I will. Bye. Hey, Aqua.
Mama, I'm very happy for sister Kwanwa. At least it's better than staying in this village.
Honestly, let's wait till she comes back. She will explain better to us. Yeah. You see, Odile is very, very lucky. That boy, he's very lucky.
Such a lucky guy.
He would have faced my wrath. This whole village would have gathered for us.
Such a lucky man. Very lucky.
Kanu, are you going out?
Am I going out? I'm going inside. Can't you see I'm going out? You want to follow me? Or you want me to carry you for head?
Kanu, why are you talking to me like this now? I only asked you a question.
You asked me a question. As if I don't know why you're asking me a question. See, let me tell you. Search me. When I'm searching, you will not get 1,000. Talking of 300. I don't have money to buy chin-chin, sweet, and granite. Because that is what the next thing now you tell me, buy this one for me, buy this one for me. I don't have money to buy anything.
So what do you expect me to eat, eh?
What
You're
do you
the one
expect
that
me to
put me in
eat?
this condition. No.
You put me in the condition too. Don't like a pregnant person. Eh? Your father's house is not far. Go there. See if there's any food in the house. Then you can eat. Eat very well. While eating, get one for me. Because I'm also hungry. Let me go outside and see if there's anything I can see.
Kanu.
Kunu.
Kanu, you are leaving me in this condition.
I'm bringing you to the condition.
Ọdịlị nwoke m nyere onwe gị aka ọdịlị obi gị ajọka ọdịlị asị m obi dị gị n'azụ gị bụ ọdịlị ịmadị ife na-eme ijikwa anya ga-eme onye kụziru gị bụ ọdịlị efi na-enwere ọdụ chi na-achụrụ ya iji werekwa ya nwayọ ka ofe rọrọ alọ zuo elu gị nni ihe onye metara ya ka ọ na-ebuo jiri ya nwayọ gị bụ ọdịlị frustration adịghị aka nyere onwe gị aka ọdịlị ijide nwa mmadụ etigbu onwe gị aka ọdịlị ọ dịkwa mma nyere onwe gị aka ọdịlị ọkwa maka echi ka nji ekwu nyere onwe gị aka ọdịlị agwa ntị ma ọnụ rọ egburu isi ntị esoro ya wee daruo anị ọdịlị afụbeghị m onye kpụ shuga n'ọnụ na-akata akwụkwọ onugbu si ka ọ tajuo afọ ọdịlị ọ ga-efokwa gị n'anya ọdịlị yo marụkwa ihe ị na-eme gị bụ ọdịlị iji jee n'ụlọ ndụmọdụ na-eso ozu ala ka ị ghara ibe mmakwara mgbe ọ ga-adị too late ọdịlị yo ọdịlị yo ọdịlị yo ọdịlị frustration adịghị aka nyere onwe gị aka ọdịlị ka ị ghara ibe mmakwara nyere onwe gị aka ọdịlị ịnafe eme ọ na-asọ gị yọ nyere onwe gị aka ọdịlị o nwerekwa ihe ji wickedness nyere onwe gị aka ọdịlị obi gị ajọ ka ọdịlị nyere onwe gị aka ọdịlị ana m adọ gị aka na ntị nyere onwe gị aka ọdịlị afụbeghị m onye kpụ shuga n'ọnụ na-akata akwụkwọ onugbu si ka ọ tajuo afọ ọdịlị ọ ga-efokwa gị n'anya ọdịlị yo marụkwa ihe ị na-eme gị bụ ọdịlị iji jee n'ụlọ ndụmọdụ na-eso ozu ala too late. Odilio, 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 Odili. Frustration adenyaka. Yero wegaka Odili. Iyaribe makwara. Yero wegaka Odili. Inafeme ona sogio. Yero wegaka Odili. Onwera kuyeji wickedness. Yero wegaka Odili. Obiga joka Odili.
Good morning. I hope you slept well.
Where you came from, didn't they teach you to knock before entering somebody's room?
Forgive my manners. I assumed...
Stop assuming. Next time, knock and you wait for my response before you enter my room.
Okay, sir. I brought your favorite breakfast.
And I don't have favorite food.
Liar. Liar.
What did you just call me?
Slip of tongue, sir. Sorry, sir.
Take that food. Leave my room. I've lost my appetite.
I'm not leaving. You have to get up and eat. I'm not leaving until you eat. Until you eat. I'm sorry. You have to eat. Chinese restaurant.
Why don't we go and buy ingredients and cook in the house? I think we have spent too much money lately on eating outside. Yes, let's buy ingredients.
What are you trying to say?
What I'm trying to say is that we should buy ingredients. Let's, save money. Let's cook in the kitchen.
What are you trying to say?
No, I'm just trying to say that we shouldn't spend too much money. You understand? I don't want to be a burden to you.
I'm saying let's eat Chinese. You're saying let's go and buy foodstuffs and cook and eat.
Because I don't want us to spend too much money.
Wait, are you the lord of me? Are you my commander? Wait, so now you're not telling me what to do?
No, I just mean like we shouldn't spend too much money. That's why
I'm saying let's go and eat Chinese. You're telling me no, let's buy foodstuffs, let's cook. Me that is saying that let's eat Chinese. Did I not know that they used to cook? Don't I know that people used to cook? Don't I know I'm supposed to cook?
I know, but I'm just trying to.
Sometimes you cook, sometimes you buy food.
Look, I just don't want to be a burden to you. That's it now. I didn't mean any offense.
It's okay. Let's just go and eat. Please don't let me say what I regret.
Okay, let's go and eat the Chinese. Let's go. Me, I even like Chinese.
Okay,
yes.
So
yes, I like Chinese. Chinese is better than anything.
You're saying I can't cook now.
That is not.
No, that's what you're saying. You're saying I can't cook.
Hey.
You're saying that I don't know why the kitchen is. No, don't I know why there's a kitchen in this house?
No, babe, no problem. Please, I'm sorry. Let's go and eat Chinese.
No, wait. Let me understand something. You said let's go and buy foodstuffs and cook. What do you mean by that?
Let's go and eat Chinese
wait,
now. I said I'm sorry. Let's go and eat Chinese. It's better than anything I grew up with.
When I'm talking, you will not interrupt me now. Let me finish. You will tell me what you mean by let's go and buy foodstuffs and cook. And I suggested Chinese, but you cancelled it and said let's. What do you mean? No, if you don't tell me, we are not going to go anywhere.
Babe, please. I said I'm sorry. Let us.
No. It means something.
It doesn't mean anything.
You will tell me what
I've told
it
you I'm
means.
sorry now. I'm sorry. Me, I want to eat the Chinese. I want the Chinese. I like Chinese. I didn't grow up with Chinese food. You understand me? It's new to me. I like it. My tongue likes Chinese. Let's go and eat Chinese. Okay, let's go. I'm sorry. Let's go and change.
I'm coming. I'm doing so busy.
easy and let me just finish my engagement. I'll come and join you soon. Go on, come in. Be going. Oh, wow. What did you say?
Nothing.
You said something. What did you say?
Nothing. Let me go and change, baby.
You have to eat now. You have to eat so you'll be alive. At least eat and so that you can take your drugs. When you take your drugs, you'll be okay. Do you want me to beg you to eat?
And what is giving you this guts to talk to me this way?
If there's nothing giving me, I just know that you have to eat. What is even wrong with men of your age, Seth? Or you want me to sing for you? You want me to pamper you? Maybe I should even sing for you, Seth. Some have food but cannot eat. Some can eat but have no food. You have food.
Leave me alone, stop.
Oh, okay. Okay, what? Okay that you are going to eat. I mean, pity your mother now. You want her to die before you?
Don't say that.
So eat now. You have to eat now so that you can take your drugs now. You have to eat now. Please, eat. You have to eat. You have to eat now. Or you want me to feed you? Okay, let me feed you now. Look at the big chicken that your mommy did for you. This is your favorite food. Ego prepared it, native rice. See the chicken that she put for you. Let me feed you now. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open now. It's your beard, so your beard is eating the food. Your breath just finish this food. See, your breath. Open. Thank you. You see it?
Babe, it's been 2 months now that I've been here. I've not seen your cousin. So when are we seeing him? Baby.
What did you say?
I said it's been 2 months I've been here and I haven't seen your cousin now. Importation cousin from, the one that does importation now. Person I'm here to see.
Yeah, he traveled to China when he gets back.
He's still not back?
Yes.
You didn't tell me initially he was traveling, no, but...
Yeah, it was when I spoke to him yesterday that he told me that he traveled, I was telling him about you.
It's okay, no problem. Next week is not far now, I'll wait. Baby, this one you're making faces like this now. Okay, if I made you angry, I'm sorry now. Why are you frowning? Baby. I said I'm sorry if I made you angry. Well, okay, no problem. Next week is not far. It's not far, but still I just want to thank you for everything you have been doing for me. I mean, the kind of places you have taken me to are places I never believed I would go to in this city. You made me see people I never believed I would see. Imagine, you made me see people I see, in TV. You made me pay money to see celebrities. Seriously, I'm too happy. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm really grateful. I've always known I'm a lucky guy, for God to give me this kind of girl, I'm just too lucky. Thank you. Baby.
Yeah,
You're welcome. You're very welcome. If I don't take care of you, who will take care of you?
See life. You were meant for me. You're my angel. I want us to go to that place today again. I want to eat that thing.
Which thing?
Pizza.
Pizza?
Yes, pizza.
Again?
Yes, pizza. You know, they didn't use that thing to train me now, so no, I have to be eating it every day. Every day. And this time I want another flavor, you know, another one with too much pepper. I don't know what you called it, pepper pizza. I don't know what you called it. Pepperoni. I don't want that one today. I'll give you another one. That one that has pineapple inside. I love you, this girl. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful. You're my sweet girl. Oh, my darling, my sweetie. Babe, stop frowning now. I said if I did anything, I'm sorry. My baby, smile now. I've told you if I make you angry, I'm sorry now. Baby, smile now. What's this now?
To be a man, oh. To be a man, oh. To be a man, I did rock one of felle.
Kanu, so this is your plan, Abi? So this is your plan? You want me to die of hunger in this house? You know I am pregnant with your child, then you leave me with no food. If I die in this house, you marry my dead body, or you marry my dead body.
I'll marry your dead corpse. You are living corpse, I have not married. And you are planning of marrying dead corpse. Which condition are you? You are pregnant. Can't you go there and look for something to do? You're only pregnant, you're not a leper. Yes. You silly bugger.
This is what you're saying to me, This is what you're telling me. After putting me in this condition, this is what you're telling me, Kanu.
Oh, I should glorify you. You should have waited for me to glorify you. Yes. I'll put you in this condition. Which condition? Which condition did I put you? Which condition did I put you? Are you not a big girl? Where you used to enter city. The next day, you enter city. You want to go and see your uncle. You're a big girl. You're a big girl. So you're supposed to know when I will come in and when I will not come in. Other girls will always say, don't come in. Don't come inside me. And you allow me to come inside you. Why did I even come inside you? Why can't I come inside you?
So now you're blaming me. You're blaming me, Abi. You're putting it on my head. When you were there promising me heaven and earth, you did not know. Now you're blaming me.
You don't know you're a bad luck. As soon as I met you, I become coboless. 2 days, they stole my keke. Since you moved in. Are you not a bad luck to me? Was I like this before? Do I used to be coboless? I used to have money. Now look at me. I promised you heaven and earth. And I promised you heaven and earth as a big girl. You did not use your head. You accepted. If I give you heaven and earth, where will everybody stay? Where will Igwe and the princess, all the villagers, where will they stay? My sister and my niece, where will everybody stay? Even me. I should have promised you hellfire. That one will accommodate everybody.
Kanu, that is not my business. All I'm saying is you should give me food. Give me food. I am hungry. Do you want to kill me in this house? Give me food.
Me too, I'm hungry. I told you before, go to your father's house. If only you there, you bring for me. You did not go. Now you are here complaining. Please leave me. As you see me now, I'm. Where is even my sister? Let me see if she has anything. I can beg her to give me. Because all about you go down. How about you go down? Please leave me. Where is Rita? Is she inside?
Kanu.
Don't you look me very well? Am I still healthy? I should give you food.
Kanu, I am pregnant. I am pregnant. I need to eat.
Me too, I'm pregnant. Can't you see my stomach? Is it the way you used to be? I'm pregnant as well. Take. Is it not food? Come and take and eat. Nonsense. Don't come. Instead of you to say, don't come inside me. Even if I was carried away, should have drawn me back. Say, no, that's how they do it. Instead, you needed it. Now see it. Please leave me alone. If you, as you can see now, it's Wago Gym now. The one I go now. The kind of hunger that is disturbing me here now. You're going to Kabelena. You're going to be an apprentice to compare to my own hunger. Your own hunger is apprentice to my own. Please free me. Free me. Let me go inside and look for food. Even if you carry, I see. I drink. Because somebody go down. I am a jam red. Yeah, I promise you heaven and earth and you are greedy. Are you not greedy? Are you not greedy?
I don't know what you're talking about. You must give me food. Come and give me food. Come and give me food. Come and give me food. You will not kill me in this house, eh? What is this for? Give me food, oh. Give me food, oh.
I'm hungry. You push me now, I'll fall down and die. If you push me now, I'll fall down and die. Leave me, oh.
You give me food. I must eat. I am pregnant.
You're pregnant?
Yes, I need food.
You're pregnant?
To be a man, oh. To be a man, oh. To be a man, I did rock one of felle. Cha cha. Ana bambo, adiko nwere fana wa. Ana pachi aneliki o. Nwoke n'ife, asị nwoke n'ife. Kalu na nke ya na-eme. I see the hustle, not so troubleful everywhere.
Sorry you met me like this. How are you?
I should be asking you. Are you okay, ma?
Yes, no, I think I'm fine. Just that the workload is too much. My son Jerry stopped going to work. He disengaged himself from the office. And he left the whole job for me to do. And he doubled kind of and so tedious on me.
I think you should rest a bit. I mean, you don't want to break down. Jerry needs you.
I know.
I wish there was something I could do to help.
Don't worry. Lately I've not been able to think about my health. And I can't afford to break down. I need my son to be here and I want to be here for my son.
Yes.
Thank you for your time. Thank you so much for your concern.
Thank you, my excuse me.
You again. What are you doing in my room? Let's get out.
I'm not going unless I speak with you. We need to talk.
I don't want to talk to you.
But I want to talk to you. I want to.
Please, just leave my room.
But let me talk at least.
Push you out.
You don't have to push me out. Because I have things to say to you. Please. Let me talk. Please. Please. I mean, have you ever considered your mother? Have you thought about the pains she's going through because of you? That woman does not deserve a bit of what she's getting in return from you. Are you pained? Yes. Everyone in your condition will feel the same. But it's not a death sentence. I mean, the doctors are doing their best to get you a matching donor. And your healing will not come from the drugs and the matching donor alone. It will come from a positive mind and attitude. Please.
Are you done?
I'm not done. I'm not done talking. I'm not done. At least if not for yourself, do it for your mother. Make her happy again. Give her hope. And that will not happen unless you get out of this pathetic bed and live a positive life. I mean, there are people out there with much more serious cases than this. But they are living their lives. They are happy. Why can't you do the same? I mean, face your fears head on. Stop biting yourself. You didn't bring this upon yourself. God knows best. Get out of this bed. Have a positive mind and attitude, please. If not for yourself, do it for your mother. Please. She's really, really, really concerned and worried about you. Please. Now I'm done. Thank you.
To be a man, oh. To be a man, I did rock one of felle. Cha cha. To be a man, oh. To be a man, oh. To be a man, I did rock one of felle. Cha cha. Ana mambo, adiko nwere fana wa. Ana pachi aneliki o. Nwoke n'ife, asị nwoke n'ife, ka alụ na nke ya na-eme. Asị the hustle, na so troubleful everywhere. To be a man, oh, na wow. To be a man, oh, to be a man, oh. To be a man, I did rock one of felle. To be a man, oh. To be a man, I did rock one of felle. Cha cha. To be a man, oh. To be
Look, what kind of talk is that now? No, I'm talking, you're laughing. What kind of joke is this? That my money is finished? Please, stop it. I'm not in the mood for that today. I'm not in the mood for that today.
Stop. I've told you, your money is gone, eh?
See, I'm talking.
Wake up.
What's wrong with you? I'm talking, you're laughing. See, if it's a joke, you better stop it. Please, stop it. You know I sold my land in the village to come and do this business. Please, go and bring my money. Don't let me think what I'm thinking. No. Let not be what I'm thinking. What do you mean that my money is gone now? What rubbish are you talking about? Please, let's bring this money. Let's go and do this business.
Do you know you're ungrateful? You are an ungrateful human being.
You said?
I brought you out of the dirty village. Change your skin color. Change your life 360. And you come here and be doing in my ear. I regret ever helping you in the first place. I regret it in my entire being. The money that you were spending, that you were spraying on girls, whose money do you think it was? Wait. All those money you were spraying for those girls with bomb, they do booty bounce. You thought it was my money. Even me that was twerking for you, bouncing for you, did you spray me any money? You will stand, you will order shawarma. You will order champagne, you will order pasta, you will order pizza. Is it not abacha and gari that you are drinking in the village? All you villagers, you will come to the city and you will lose focus. You will forget yourself, you will forget your home training, you will just forget everything. You came here and be squandering all your money. I was telling you, orderly stop. You say no, let us order champagne. Let us eat shawarma. I was telling you, orderly stop. Even when I was trying to change your life, you were like, yes, spend the money, buy new phone, buy new clothes, buy everything.
Wait. You're trying to... You mean... Wait, the money that we're spending was my money? My money? Hey! My money! Wait. Do you know I sold land? To come and do this business. See, don't try me, oh. Don't try. You don't know me, oh. You don't know me. I'll kill you. You don't know why I'll kill you.
No,
I'll kill you here now.
Keep talking. The cameras are recording you. Keep talking.
Which camera? What are you talking about?
The police is watching you from somewhere. Keep talking. Enough is enough.
Wait.
I've had enough because of what? Chicken change, small money that you were spraying for other girls that did not spray for me. Keep talking.
Wait.
Police will come and carry you.
What do you mean by
Keep talking.
Which camera? Which camera?
If you like, stay here and be complaining and be crying on top small money. Let Gina come and catch you in her house. Mention any kind of word now, they will land here now and carry you away. They are 2 seconds away. They are watching you. There is camera in this house. And if you like, stay here and be crying and be complaining about chicken change. Gina will come now and chase you out of her house. So you better find your way. Ogasa.
Wait.
My hand is not here again.
Wait.
I've removed my hand.
Wait. Camera. Wait. Hey, Odili. This is how you've come to the city the third time and returned to the village without anything. Oh. Hey! Wait. So this house is not even her house. I'm sure the car is not even her car. Chelsea. Hey! Odili. You people watching with camera, see, she duped me. If you're watching me, I know you, wherever you're watching from, she duped me. She duped me. See, I didn't touch her, but she duped me. So you people should judge this case. Camera people. See, I didn't do anything. I didn't touch her. She's the one. She's the one. I don't know where you people are. I didn't do anything. If you people are watching, I didn't do anything. She stole my money. She said 1.5 million. And you people are here. She stole my money, 1.5 million naira. Camera people. She told me that we're going to do business in China. I don't understand what's going on now. Now she has duped me. Chelsea, come here, I'm agree.
Hey, good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. How was your night?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you. Sorry, excuse me, sir. Are you going to work?
Yep, off to work.
Okay, then let me make something for you to eat.
Oh, don't worry. When I get to the office, I'll tell my secretary to get me something to eat.
Oh.
Alright.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you take care of the house.
Alright. Wow. He finally went out.
Dịka o nwere ife a na-agba a na-apachi a na-eliki nwoke n'ife asị nwoke n'ife ka alụ na nke ya na-eme asị the hustle na so trouble full everywhere to be a man na wow. To be a man, to be a man, to be a man at the rock one of
I'm doing this because of God and because of the innocent child in your womb. You and my brother Kanu does not deserve any form of help from me at all. Take. Eat.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Rita. God bless you. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
And I hope you've learned your lesson. Kanu has abandoned you. He ran to God knows where. Now I'm the one taking care of you. You see?
Rita, thank you. I appreciate everything and I am sorry. I am sorry for everything I said, I did. I am so sorry. Kanu is wicked though. Kanu is very, very heartless. If not that Kanu is the father of my unborn child, I would have laid a heavy curse on him. I would have sworn, I would have gone to Amadio.
Okay. Jane, it's okay.
Thank you.
I just hope you've truly changed. Because what goes around comes around. Well, I'll be going to my shop shortly. If you wish, you can come stay with me. Let me pick up my bag inside.
Thank you. I will come. As soon as I'm done eating this food, I will come. I'm tired of sitting in this house doing nothing. Hey, Rita, thank you. Thank you.
Ego. Agwa nwa. Nwa Ego.
Maya, where? Oh, Ekoma. How are you? I'm fine.
Where is Akwa?
She's upstairs. Please call her for me.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, good afternoon, Ma. How are you? Fine, thank you. Sit. Sit down. Thank you so much. Thank you for everything. And in fact, I cannot thank you enough. You are amazing.
What did I do, Ma?
Jerry told me everything you told him. Those beautiful words you told him. Said it touched him so much. Thank you. God bless you. You're a wonderful person.
You're welcome, ma.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh, you're back.
Yes. Where you go? You just got back from work.
Oh yeah, I want to go see my friends. You know, for a very long time now I've been socialized. Yeah.
It's okay. Someone has to come with you.
No.
I don't even need your opinion in this matter. You have to accompany him, okay?
No.
For my sake, you know. Please. Please.
I won't take it. I will not take it. See him, that guy, I'll still meet him in this village. This village will not enter to a force. It's not possible now.
Brother, if all you have said to me is true, then you are wrong, oh. You are very, very wrong.
How am I wrong? No, how am I wrong? Didn't Akwangwa say she's in love with me? Didn't you hear it? Why would she leave me and follow a man? She doesn't know how the man made his money because he's rich. For what?
Oh, brother, stop saying all these things. You and I know that you left her. You abandoned her. So why are you disturbing her?
Listen, I went to the city to hustle. Hustle so that life will be better for you and I. So don't tell me this nonsense you're saying. What are you talking about?